Hi everyone, this is Angel with Tech Tutelage, and in this video I'm going to show you how to password protect and encrypt files and folders on your Mac. To begin, what you want to do is go ahead and open your terminal window, and in your terminal navigate to the folder that files and the folders that you want to encrypt are in. Otherwise you're going to have to deal with relative paths and just too much typing. So in this case all I'm going to do is just go ahead into my desktop, since the file and the directory that I want to password protect and encrypt are there. So I'm going to my desktop. As you can see, I'm here in my desktop, and if I list, I'm going to see my top secret txt file and my top secret folder. So I'm going to double click on this file so you can see that I have this super secret message here in it. So I'm going to go ahead and close it now. And then to encrypt this file and password protect it, all you have to do is run zip, and then you can do -E and M. So E is going to stand for encrypt and M is going to start to move. So what that will do is it will move the file into a zip, and that way the original will not stay after. So zip EM, and then we're going to give the name of the new file. So we'll call it top secret file, but I'm going to say protected. And for our source, we're going to give the top secret file's name right here, txt. So I'm going to go ahead and click enter. Then it's going to prompt me for a password. Now we're going to want to give a strong password here. In my case, I'm just going to say password1. And then you repeat the password, and then you can go ahead and click on enter, and that will add our file into a zip. It will remove the original and it will put it into this password protected zip file. So now if we go ahead and double click, it's going to prompt for a password, and if we put the wrong password, it will not let us in, so we won't be able to see the content of a file. And then if you actually enter the correct password, it will extract that file, and you can see the file here on our desktop, and then we can open it and you can see our top secret message. All right, so the next thing I'm going to show is how to do that with the folder. Now with the folder is a little bit different, because if you open this folder here, you can see that we have multiple files in it and other directories with files. So there's going to be an extra parameter that we're going to have to enter while we're running our zip command. So let's do that. So what you're going to have to do is run zip and then dash, and here we're going to say E for encrypt, M for move. That way the original will be moved into a file, it won't be left behind. And here we're going to say R for recursive. And then for our new file, we're going to call it top secret folder protected, and here we can give it the name of our source, which will be top secret folder. So I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to give it a password. Again, password1. In your case, you better pick some strong password. And as you can see, it added all the files into that new zip file that is password protected and encrypted. So if you double click on it, again, it's going to prompt for a password. You put the wrong password and it won't let you do it. But if you put the correct password, it will unzip it for you, and then you will have access to your secret files and to your secret directories. And that's how you password protect files and folders on your Mac. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click on the like button, and if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.